Everyone, my name is Mallikarjuna. I have completed my engineering in biotechnology. Actually, one of my friend helped me uh, to know about this institute, Tech Sarvam. Then I decided to join this institute for placement assistance. Then they helped me a lot to crack the interview. Basically, in first and second interview, I'm not able to crack those interviews. Then they helped me technically how I have to prepare for further rounds and all. Like there will be more rounds in an interview. Basically, first they will test the basic coding and all, and then they will start technical interviews. Means in depth they will going to ask. So during those technical rounds, the tech Sarma will help you a lot to crack the interviews, and also they will take care of background verification and all. No need to worry about that one. They will help you a lot in after placement also, and while uh, arranging interview from top companies. I have placed one of the top company. It's insurance based, and they offered me 11.8 LPA. And thanks to the Tech Servam for helping me a lot to get placed in one of the good company. Thanks a lot.